Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and I want to walk you through what it's like to install the Deatsch high pressure lift kit into your BMW. All right, y'all, so let's talk about this project a little bit before we do it, and a little bit of a different introduction for a little bit different kind of video than I normally do. Frequently, I will do very detailed DIY, this exact bolt in this exact place as you go through, or on the very complex installs, I'll do a summary video kind of showing you time lapse of the entire effort. This is gonna be a little bit of both. Now, the reason for that is as I do this lift kit install, Deatsch has a really good guide that they've put out, and I'll make sure to have the link in the video description below, so make sure to check that out. This is intended to supplement that guide, to show you the entire process. And in addition, the great guys up at BIMTech outside of Linwood have agreed to help and let me have access to their lift. So normally I'd be doing this here at home with my quick jacks or a jack and jack stand, as you do need to get underneath the car a couple of times, but they offer to help out and they have the lift, and I just had to take them up on that. So don't let that dissuade you from doing that work though. You can absolutely do this with the right tools. It does take a couple of specialized tools that will also be linked in the description below, but this is something that you can do and walk through yourself. So let this video supplement the guide from Deatsch, and we'll take you through that whole process.